intelligent sweeping robot. 1 key start function with easy induction. 4 cleaning modes. Bow-shaped cleaning mode, fixed point cleaning mode, menu direction control mode and free cleaning mode. 2.4G radio wave ultra long distance remote control. Turn on the disinfection. The bottom disinfection light is on. The rear wheel drive. Easily cross the barrier. Suitable for various ground cleaning. Ultra thin body, ultra long standby, great suction. Let the intelligent sweeping robot free your hands.